We're looking to cover a basket for our forklift truck with a mesh screen. To adjust this mesh to fit on site, we'll be using a mini angle grinder with our 75mm cutting and grinding discs. We use the XT10 MINI to cut the mesh to size. At just 1mm thick, this is one of our extra thin cutting discs. On the small 12-volt machine, the disc goes through the steel quickly and easily, while allowing very precise handling and producing very little sparking. The mini discs with a 10mm socket are just as quick and easy to change out as our larger models. After locking the spindle in place, the flange is released with an Allen key. We switch to the 6mm thick RS2 grinding disc to tidy up and smooth off the cut surfaces. Whatever its format, big or small, the RS2 is especially popular thanks to its high stock removal performance and efficiency. The cut edges are made smooth and safe in no time at all. Thanks for liking and sharing. Subscribe to our channel now so you don't miss any new videos.